In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy the Fiverr funded account using a discount code. It is super easy to do. So I will showcase you how to do it, but I'll also leave the discount code down in the description below so you can get 10% off your account. Once from here, you will need to go up to your favorite browser and then go up to thefiverr.com and then sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can always create a free account if you want to do that, either by clicking on the link down in the description or by going up to thefiverr.com. Once from here, you should bring something like this once you get inside of your account. Now from here, you'll need to head over to new order over here, click on that, and then from here, you'll be able to choose between two options that the Fiverrs provide, either the CFD tradings or futures tradings. Once from here, you'll simply need to click on which type of instrument that you want to trade. So I'll just choose CFDs for this tutorial, but this will also work exact same way with futures. Once from here, you'll need to go over to and choose your specific program that you want to use for trading, either MetaTrader 5, CTrader, or TradingView over here. Once from here, you can also choose the specific currency that you want to trade, either USD, Euro, British Pounds, or Indian currency. Once from here, you'll simply need to click on the specific program that you want to purchase and just click on this little swiping here. If you want to purchase all three, you can do that and click select plan like so. Yes, and proceed and replace like so. As you can see over here, now it has replaced over here in the order summary. But from here, we'll need to add in the discount code. And this specific discount code will again give you 10% off your price, and you'll just need to use add code, and you can also use credit if you want to do that. Once from here, you'll simply need to add in your phone number over here, your billing address, and which type of payment that you want to use to buy the account. Once from here, you'll simply need to click yes, yes, yes to all of these three, and then click checkout over here. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!